Hi, I'm Laura and I'm going to be showing you how to make sensory sea slime. So here is our recipe. We are going to need 6 ounces of Elmer's glue, a half teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 tablespoons of contact solution, and you want to make sure that the contact solution contains boric acid and sodium borate so that our reaction will happen to make the slime. And you also want to get some objects, maybe sequins or beads or Legos, to put in the slime.
Alright, so to start off, you're going to want to grab a large mixing bowl and pour in the entire bottle of glue. Since my glue was only 4 ounces in the bottle, I decided to add a few different colors of glitter glue to the mix. If you have food coloring at home, you can use that. Next, you're going to add half a teaspoon of baking soda. Next, it's time for the contact solution. Start by pouring 1 tablespoon in, and then you can choose to add another half tablespoon if you like. This all depends on the kind of consistency of your slime that you're going for. Then start mixing. If it starts to stick to your hand, you can also use baby lotion or hand lotion on your hands to get it to not stick. So once it's all mixed together, feel free to add in any objects to make it a sensory experience. I chose to add sequins, and it's really cool to see them when you stretch the slime apart.
Alright, so there you have it, a sensory sea slime made with just a few simple ingredients that you might even have lying around the house right now. So give it a try and enjoy the rest of our mermaid week.